Is this in this bush right here?
Yeah, it's hanging off this big bush.
Big hive. Let me show you a picture. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures.
Yeah.
Gee, no, you're the only one who's
It's
doing
like,
that.
is the honey like the white stuff? So what is the honey? Like,
The honey's everything that's capped here is honey.
really?
Yeah.
Sealed up, they seal it up.
They seal it.
So do the honey farmers just come in and scrape it off? Or?
Yep. When we're ready to.
How do you think it could be
Uh,
Do they smoke it sometimes to get them out?
well, when we're taking the honey, I just put it on a box and then use my blower and just blow them off. And they blow off. Most of them blow off and then they leave. But I also harvest in the hot sun.